Good morning, students. Today's topic is coefficient of variation. Before discussing what is coefficient of variation, we will discuss about coefficient of standard deviation. Coefficient of standard deviation is given by sigma by x bar. Sigma is the standard deviation and x bar is the mean. Already আমি ৰেঞ্জ কোৱাৰ্টাইল ডেভিয়েশ্যন মিন ডেভিয়েশ্যন সকলোৰে কোএফিচিয়েন্ট আমি পঢ়ি আহিছোঁ আৰু ষ্টেণ্ডাৰ্ড ডেভিয়েশ্যনৰ কোএফিচিয়েন্টটো কি হয় সিগমা বাই এক্স বাৰ নাও ইফ উই মাল্টিপ্লাই this ratio with 100 then it will become coefficient of variation. Coefficient of variation, we can also write it as CV. So CV is nothing but sigma by x bar into 100. That is the relationship between standard deviation and the mean expressed in percentage is the coefficient of variation. Coefficient of standard deviation is used to compare the variability of two series. তাৰমানে দুটা সিরিজৰ মাজত কোনটো সিরিজ মানে ভেৰিয়েবিলিটিটো কি বুজাইছে যে আমাৰ ডাটাখিনি যে থাকিব ডাটাখিনিৰ মাজৰ মানে ইন্টাৰভেল মানে ইটোৰ পৰা সিটোলে কোনটো পা মানে প্ৰত্যেকটো ভ্যালু ইটোৰ পৰা সিটোলে তাহাঁতৰ ইন্টাৰভেলটো কিমানকৈ আছে বা পাৰ্থক্যটো কিমানকৈ আছে সো তেনেকৈ আমি দুটা সিরিজৰ মাজৰ ভেৰিয়েবিলিটিটো আমি কোএফিচিয়েন্ট অফ ষ্টেণ্ডাৰ্ড ডেভিয়েশ্যন ইউজ কৰি পেলাই আমি কম্পেয়াৰ কৰিব পাৰোঁ we can compare the variability of two series using coefficient of SD. যেতিয়া আমি এই coefficient of SD টোক 100 ৰে মাল্টিপ্লাই কৰি দিওঁ তেতিয়া হেতু হৈ যায় coefficient of variation. এতিয়া যেতিয়া আমি coefficient of variation উলিয়াম দুটা সিরিজৰ কাৰণে তো জিটু সিরিজৰ coefficient of variation টো বেছি থাকে তাৰ variability টো বেছি হয় জিটু সিরিজৰ CV টো কম হ'ব সেই সিরিজটোৰ variability টো কম হ'ব সো এটোৱে হৈ গ'ল coefficient of variation and coefficient of standard deviation. So for an example, if you were given n5 x bar 4 and summation of x square equal to 19 and you are asked to find coefficient of variation. So according to the formula of coefficient of variation, it is sigma by x bar into 100. In this question you are given x bar n and summation x square. We have to find sigma. So the formula of sigma is 1 by n summation of x square minus x bar square. So according to this 1 by 5 into 90 x 4 square means it will be 16. minus 16 it will be root 4 equal to 2. So your sigma is 2. So therefore our CV will be sigma by x bar into 100%. CV is always expressed in percentage. So you have to write here 100%. In formula also you will have to write 100%. 2 by x bar means 4 into 100%. So it will be equal to sorry there is a mistake. It is not root 4, it is actually root 2. Root 2 by 4 into 100%. It will be root 2 means 1.41. If we multiply this and divided it by 4 we will get 35.25%. So this is how you have to solve coefficient of variation. I have taken another example. Here it is given CV of two series are 60% and 80%. Duta series or CV dia ase mane coefficient of variation dia ase 60% and 80%. Their standard deviations are 20 and 16. This standard deviation of first series is 20 and second series is 16. What are their arithmetic means? Ami yat series kitar mean kita uliabo lagibo. So as we already know the formulas of the formula for CV, so we can directly apply that. So for first series, CV equal to sigma by x bar into 100. This CV for first series is 60. Sigma is 20. We don't know the value of x bar. So x bar is equal to 20 into 100 by 60. It will be equal to 33.3. This is the mean for first series. For second series, CV equal to sigma by x bar into 100, 80, 16, will be equal to 20. So the mean of first series is 33.3 and the mean of second series is 20.